Hello everybody. Today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 16628. This watch contains a Y serial number, indicating it was produced by Rolex in the years 2001 to 2002. The characteristics include an 18-karat yellow gold Oyster bracelet with an Oysterlock clasp. The dial is a black mother-of-pearl dial with a superluminova display. The case is 40mm 18-karat yellow gold with a bi-directional rotating time-lapse bezel and has a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal along with an automatic 3-1-3-5 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with the Rolex box, booklets, hang tags, polishing cloth, pocket square, a Rolex wallet, and Rolex papers. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the link in the description below, or by searching for Bob's Watches 16628 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.